Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so you're notified to my new upload video, and also give me a big thumbs up for my returning subscriber. Thank you guys so much for all your support. So in today's video, I have a beauty unboxing from Dior. Yes guys, I've been ordering beauty items from Dior. Well, particular this one is I don't have one and I would like to try, and I see this one that hopefully that I can use this one as a refill, or I can refill some one of the item that I really love. So it comes with this box. I already cut part of a tape. So I really love that Dior always have the well packaging, and I'm also ordering this one because it has free that I would like to have. So here's there you go guys, this is the item that I ordered from them. Let's do okay, so I guess this is the free item that I'm really interested. That's why I get this one. So let's open it. Okay, let's put aside. The free items is this pouch, guys. You know I love free. Everybody love free anyway. So yeah, this is really perfect for a cosmetic item to put in here, especially my brushes. If I travel, I bring a lot of brushes, guys, because you know I love makeup. And also I can put my shampoo toothbrush in here, and I love the D, and it zips all the way up. It is really, it's inside is a plastic, so it does really can clean up easy inside. I really love this. The only one thing I purchased from there because of this, it's really cute. I don't know why, guys, I'm really into a red color at the moment. Okay, so let's go on to the main part. I order also for my husband. It's so weird, the makeup sometimes it's gold, sometimes this one's like a gray. This is, guys, the items I'm order for my husband because you know since I smell this one on him, I really love it so much. So this is the Sauvage Beauty perfume. It's the size 50 ml, and he doesn't like a full size because he said he's got so much perfume. So I said, okay, let me get a small size. So that's what it is. I don't know if I want to open, guys, later. So let's go on to the free. Oops, what is that? So I asked also a free sample, and of course it's every time it's over 80 or 100 they give you a free sample, like a free size of a small mini travel size of perfume. And I picked this Miss Dior Rose and Roses because when I received the sample one, oh my god, I love it so much. It really smells good, guys. I recommend this perfume. This is not sponsored, guys. It just really smells good, and I love the packaging of it. And so let's see. And I got this two over here, another another Sauvage again. That's the way when I love the perfume. And I picked this actually this one, it comes with this as well free. If you purchase over 80, they give you this free pouch and free lipstick. And this is the one, I don't think I have this. This is number 100 Nude Lock Matte. It's very matte, guys. I don't think I will. Let me swatch this for you. It does like a very nice nude color. I really love it. This is perfect for daytime. I don't think it's similar from my other one that I have, but it's really nice. Nice to have a travel size for that. And what else? And I guess that's it. And I picked 2 samples, but they only sent me one. So I also got this Dior cushion powder because I ran out with my powder, guys. And I said like, oh, let me try this one. What sold me out is this. Ta-da! Look at the packaging, guys. It's so beautiful. I really want this oblique one, but for some reason they don't have one here in the UK. So I picked medium. I do have a pressed powder shade medium 030. So I really love the cushion in here. Beautiful. And I'm hoping that this one is perfect for a refill. So this is what it looks like, guys. And for over here, they have this one. That one over there. So beautiful. Oh my god, I don't think I can be refilled it, but I guess, I don't know. Yeah, this is the powders already. It's in there, guys. Let me see if it's too dark because sometimes it does. No, it's okay. I think this is my shade. I'm hoping that I can refill this, but I don't think I can do, but I'm just trying. After I finish this, I will do removing or something for this because I see part over here that you can lift up that thing, or even this side. So yeah, that's it for my Dior beauty, guys. It's just very quick. I just want to see you that this is beautiful. I don't think this is limited edition. This is their new edition, I think, under the beauty product of Dior. So if you are looking for another compact powder, try this one. I will have another. It's so cushiony. I will update you guys if that's really good, or because the one I have right now I use every day now, the Dior loose powder. It's really nice. It's very natural. This is the one I've been using all the time. So I will try this one. I love Dior loose powder, but I would still want to try on Chanel. But this time I'm gonna finish this one and I will try different products. So there you guys, that's it for my Dior beauty unboxing. I hope that you like it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.